In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate ideas in Notion with AI. Perfect for beginners, eager to explore the power of digital brainstorming. Whether you're planning a project, writing a paper, or seeking inspiration for your next creative venture, this tutorial will show you how seamlessly Notion can assist you in generating incredible ideas with the help of AI. Let's dive in by creating a new block within your Notion workspace. If you're a beginner, blocks in Notion are essential building elements that allow you to add, organize, and interact with information. To begin, simply open your Notion page and click on the area where you want to add content. You'll notice a small plus icon pop up. Clicking this will allow you to create a new block. It's a straightforward process, and once you've done it a couple of times, it'll feel like second nature. Now that you have your new block, let's move on to typing a prompt or a topic. Think of this as the seed for your brainstorming session. The prompt could be as specific or as broad as you like, depending entirely on the type of ideas you want to generate. It could be anything from innovative marketing strategies for small businesses to top destinations for eco-friendly travel. The key here is to choose something that you're either curious about or what you need ideas for. Then go ahead and type it out in your new block. With your prompt or topic defined, it's time to engage the AI's capabilities. You'll find the AI tools located in the upper right corner of your page, symbolized by a button that says Ask AI. Click on this button, and you'll see an option labeled Brainstorm Ideas. This is where the AI magic happens. By selecting Brainstorm Ideas, the AI begins working with the prompt you've provided, using its vast database of information and algorithms to generate a slew of interesting, unique ideas related to your topic. The final step allows you to make these AI-generated ideas your own, adding your personal touch. Once the AI has provided a list of ideas, take a moment to review them. Not all suggestions will fit perfectly, and that's okay. Use this opportunity to refine and curate the ideas that resonate most with your goals. You can expand on them, merge ideas that complement each other, or even discard those that don't align with your vision. You can easily save these finalized ideas to your Notion workspace for future reference or collaborate with team members by sharing these ideas directly from the platform. And there you have it. A simple yet powerful approach to leveraging AI in Notion for idea generation. By using this tool, you open a whole world of possibilities right at your fingertips, empowering your projects and enhancing your creative processes with smart and efficient brainstorming. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it helps you in your journey to mastering Notion for all your idea-generating needs.